you might want to edit the way that the clip works. So maybe add some movement to a clip. So we're just going to take a small section of this. I'm just going to take this section here. And I'm going to do a zoom in. You have these tools across the top. The tool that you're going to need is this tool here. You can crop. So that means for a whole clip, I might just want to show a certain area. So now if I play this back from here, if I played it, it will only show the little area I've cropped into, and I can show that here because if we move that now to this one, it'll go back out to the full area. So you might want to crop. The other thing you might want to do is get a sense of movement in the piece that you've got. So to do that, I'm just going to undo my cropping. To get a sense of movement, you would use Ken Burns. This is your starting point, this is your end point. So say I wanted to end this clip looking at this area here at the top, the bit that says Switzerland. Okay, and my starting point, I'm going to pull this down and I want it to actually start here. So I'm going to zoom essentially across. Its arrow shows me the movement. By clicking on this, you can move where your arrow is going to take you. And clicking on this, you can move where your start is. And you can also make this larger or greater. Use this, larger or smaller. Use this wisely, but it can add a sense of movement to the piece if there's something you want to say that requires it. So if I really want to point out something very specific, this will give a sense of movement to a piece, and it will really highlight a certain area. So this is something worth thinking about. First of all, make sure you've cut the little area that you want to apply this to, and then you can use the crop or the Ken Burns effect.